This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below. Morning guys, July 17th, 2018. This one here I got a call for a shower that's leaking down onto the first floor. So we'll go by there and take the valve cover off, see if we can figure out what's going on with it. Hopefully they ain't gonna rip the ceiling apart. Try to get you some shots if it's something interesting. Is that the shower or the hot tub? What was leaking?
No, shower. The hot tub's gone.
All right, so let's show me upstairs.
So it's coming down the outside.
Yeah, let's look upstairs. I think I know what it is.
Well, I think it's the toilet too. Had that control replaced because it was doing just what you said. Oh yeah. And it was leaking down into the basement, and I'm saying, what? I couldn't figure it out, so I called a guy, Tony Costanza.
Now, where are you from? This area?
Yeah, up near Buttonwood Park.
Oh, okay. So you bought this place off Monroe then?
Bought it what? From Monroe, yeah.
The old man is in his 90s.
Yeah, he is. And the wife died 3 or 4 years ago.
He was quite the carrier.
Was he? Yeah.
The old man?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I mean,
he'd come up, but only for a few months in the summer, and then he had to go into assisted living down in Florida where the other brother lives. So they said, okay, now it's time. The sisters agreed, all right, let's sell it. But it needed so much work. That first floor was wow.
Oh, you redid all the flooring?
Yeah, all the flooring. Had the place painted. But this up here looks so good. We put in new bathroom countertop here, but that's it. We didn't touch the floor. Needless to say, I was crushed when I'm taking a shower. Get downstairs and I see the panel all wet. I go, what? Oh, I see. Now you can see.
Well, don't seem to be leaking.
Right here, alright.
That's not the issue. Are you taking a bath here or
shower?
Just a shower?
Yep.
Oh, that don't seem to be an issue. You sure it's coming from this and not downstairs?
Yeah. I showed it to the contractor. He said, no, that's a second floor drain.
Yeah, usually it's that, but that's not the case here.
Yeah, he told his plumber, and he had already finished up his work here. So he never came, never called. So I said, oh, I got to get this taken care of. So
that's not the problem.
So I called you.
Not good.
More water comes out when I do that. I tried flushing this. There's a lesser amount of water came out here too.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back together.
Yep.
And then we're gonna run it downstairs and take a look.
Okay.
All right, guys, he's gonna run the shower. This is the basement. It goes up all the way up to the first floor, up into the second, and that's where it's leaking. I'm thinking in the wall somewhere. That's the main stack going up. He's gonna run the shower now. Yeah, it's dripping from up top. Yeah, it goes. Look at that. Not good. Wow. Not good. When they put that thing, is this new?
Yeah.
When they put that in, I bet you the screws right in the...
Well, we can take that off.
I bet you any money that's what it is. Because that's right on the other side of the wall. This is new, right?
Yeah.
Take a look. Now, how high is that? That's right about chest level to me. I bet you that's what it is. Yeah, it's right about chest level. It's right here. I go up a little bit more with it. It's wet. Right where the hanger was. Look at the size of them holes. That's not good. Wow.
He went in with his drill.
Look at that. I mean, that's in the main pipe.
Oh, the whole, yeah, right. Hey, you're in charge of putting up the hangers.
That's something, huh?
Yep. I mean, another inch over. Because he used the drill, because he had to use a big enough drill for the, you see the anchors?
I might be able to cut this and put a rubber clamp in there maybe. I might be able to do that.
Whatever you want to do that's going to fix it, Steve. If you got to make it...
Yeah, so I'll probably make a cut here, and put a spool piece in there with a couple of clamps. So I made a couple of cuts there. I'll just put another piece in with a couple of rubber bands. It'll be fine. Yeehaw. Unbelievable. I put a couple of clamps in there. I only had a 4-band. I like to use these 2 bands, but I only had one of those, so I used the 4-band. And he'll just have to have that covered on both sides, but he just had this tub put in, and they put this shower bar and drilled right in the pipe. And that's not good. No good. So she's not leaking. It's running upstairs. Lady will wake the dead with that singing. Holy cow.